But if you choose your career path this way, beyond the financial reward, you also get progress. If I'm driving, I'm supposed to be moving, right? If my career is not moving me, it's a trap. They call it rat race, it's not a career. And as he was going to Damascus, going to this, he mentioned it to the point that he said, I finished what God asked me, the work he said I should do. So he was measuring it. That's because it was a career. If it's not a career in this life, you can't measure it, but you could measure it. Okay, you could look at the dashboard and say, this is the mileage I've covered.
Let's assume your gift is being a business person, like you're into businesses.
Yeah.
And you're experiencing, can you experience a delay?
So Isaac Oyedepo, Papa and Mama actually made them to read almost all their books before they left secondary school.
The joy is that your life can impact people beyond you. You are not the purpose of your life, so you should impact other people through whatever path God calls you to. Play and party, you end up with an empty plate. Cultivate your garden. Everybody, we all have a garden. Cultivate it. So all the seeds you have, you need to ask yourself, which refinery will help me to cultivate my seeds? A refinery is a school. We call it education. Psalm 1 verse 3. I shall be like a tree. Say to yourself, want to go? I shall be like a tree, planted at the riverside, and I shall bring forth fruits. Don't be in a haste. Some other colleagues of you may be in a haste. Let's give us time. I like Daniel. He told the kings, the board. I said, well, no problem. Just give us time. Give us 7 days. Come and compare if our skin is fresher than the other guys. Give us time. Don't be in a haste. Others want the fruit, or they want the food now. Don't worry. Give us time. We are going to plant our gifts. Oh, you want to spend 4 years in college? Is that not a waste? 6 years in medical school. What are you doing there? Don't worry. I'm planting my seed. And people who are excellent in their study is not far-fetched. For you to be excellent in your study, you must manage your time well. Is that also? You must have been focused. You know what they call focus? Out of all these distractions, you still did well. You are focused. And you're asking yourself, you're not making it by sentiment. You come with detailed justifications. These are 3 schools I've studied over the years that will help refine my seeds. Both in the academic competence, both in the environment. Because some of these things is not even about the instruction alone. So I want a refinery that will give me an environment to own my seeds. Plant it well. Mommy, daddy, I know it's costly, but this is why I'm choosing this school.
Experience was enlightening.
It's a beautiful experience actually, and I had fun.
I get to learn some stuff and learn some abilities.
I get to learn a lot about career path.
I found out a lot of things about me that I didn't know about before. I found out so many things about me, and it told us about knowing about purpose.